Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss Tropical Forest Facility Fund. This has been launched on the sidelines of COP30 of United Nations Framework Convention of Climate Change. This is happening in Belém, Brazil. Now this aims to raise an investment fund of $125 billion to conserve the tropical forests. India has been registered in this as an observator through this Brazil-led TFFF initiative. We also reaffirm saying that we are with the Paris Agreement. This fund is a permanent self-financing initiative investment fund. Now, in this, $25 billion would be coming from the governments of different countries and the $100 billion would be coming from various private organizations. This 125 billion would be invested in the corporate and public bonds. The yields generated from these bonds would be given to the tropical countries who are having the tropical forests to conserve them. What are tropical forests? They are dense, warm weather forests ranging from 20 degrees to 25 degrees, and they usually lie between the equatorial region, that is between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. There are two types of tropical forests. The first one is the tropical rainforest. For example, Amazon basin, Congo basin, they are rich in biodiversity and have heavy rainfall. The second type is the tropical seasonal dry forests. In these forests, the biodiversity is rich, but the trees would be shedding their leaves in a distinct season. For example, they are in India, Central America and East Africa. Do let me know in the comment section when was the COP21 organized. Thank you.